It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Well, we've arrived at the grand finale of All the Pretty Little Horses. This is what I call the All the Pretty Little Horses Megamix. And what we're going to do is use the basic song, the primary theme by itself, and then we're going to throw in some elements from the first variation we did and the second variation. And if you've done the level 3 videos, then you can even use some of the ornaments that were taught in the ornament versions or the level 3 versions of those as well. But we're going to try to weave them all together to make one long song that uses just this theme. And I'm going to try to talk you through it, how I do it, and then you can take it and just try to copy it exactly, or you can take the ideas and make them your own. So here we go. All the Pretty Little Horses Megamix. I'll make it so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to start with just the theme. And I want it to sound kind of empty. And there's our first surprise. It's the end, but I'm weaving it back together like the first variation we did. And that fills it out a lot. Now I'm moving right into the second variation. And that adds a little bit of energy to it, because now I have to be doing more. And there I mix the two. Mixing the two again. Now I can speed it up. Now I just want to show off, because those little embellishments are cooler when they're faster. I'm doing a lot of them at the same time. And when I do that kind of rhythm, it makes it sound a little bit more like a war piece. Dun, triple it, dun, 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 triple it, dun, dun. Now that I've got the idea of war in the mind, I can slow it down. Or not slow it down, but take it back a little. And then I'll hold some long notes. Here, that one's long. And I'm going to scrap all the other ideas and go back to the initial theme. And I'm going to do measures 5 and 6. Slow down, and then end just with low A. And if I wanted to, I could probably actually do fret 12 on low A as a harmonic, and that sounds pretty nice. Or I could end with fret 5 on the E string like that. And it's a nice kind of high surprise ending. And that's a way to weave all the different versions that we did together into one, pretty nice 2 or 3 minute little performance. So it would sure surprise the people who are watching, because they wouldn't expect all those variations on just one little theme. So anyway, there's an idea for All the Pretty Little Horses Megamix. Put it all together. I'd like to see what you come up with. So if you want to, take some videos and post them for me to see. And that's all we're going to do for now. Bravo. Good job.
Was that pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's all right. Nice work. Real solid. Great.